how to find the best shipping method on CJ Dropshipping. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way and also the most simplest way to use or choose a shipping method and calculate it into CJ Dropshipping. So the process is very easy. You're going to head over to cjdropshipping.com. Then you are going to simply to sign in for an account within the platform and make sure that you have at least connected your Shopify store or any type of stores into the platform. So we are going to set up or automate the let's say the fulfillment into the platform. As you can see, we have Shopify, we have WooCommerce, Etsy, and etc. So aside from that, you're going to see the market or the listing of the products and also the prices. Now, we are not going to use any of these products, so you can go ahead and check the product manually like this and check up the characteristic of the product and also the, as you can see, the delivery estimated time. So you need only to know where is the warehouse situated. So basically, it is going to be here in China. So you're going to see that we are going to put it or ship it, for example, from our Shopify store to this specific area. So you're going to select from here the shipping fees. So you're going to click on here and select the shipping method that you want to add. In here, I'm going to ignore this step. I'm not going to add this product yet, or I'm going to be back to the product section. So we're going to type in or click on the delivery time at the top. So here you're going to see all the let's say source countries or the warehouses and where you're going to ship. Basically, it is going to be very limited in here. So we are going to click on shipping calculation or calculator, and here you are going to see this platform. So we are going to use or select the platform that you're going to put or get the product from. For example, here we have AliExpress, we have eBay, and etc. So I'm going to platform here AliExpress, for example, and then we're going to set up or the shipping from. For example, here the warehouse we have, for example, China, United States, UK, Germany. I'm going to use China. So the shipping to, we are going to select the address that we are going to ship to, for example, France. Here are going to set up the postal code of like that, for example, and also the weight. Do not forget to set up the weight. You can go ahead and see it on the product, let's say information or the details. So now you're going to select the attribute or the type of the product. For example, if it is going to be an electronic, you're going to click on calculate. So maybe we are going to ignore the postcode. Let's see here. We're going to set up here everything like I'm in France, but into Italy, ordinary, for example, and etc. For the meantime, nothing is going to be here put. So we are going to set up here another country, for example. Platform is going to be AliExpress or eBay. Shipping to, we're going to set up here the UAE, and then we are going to get the shipping. So you're going to see, of course, the delivery time, which is going to be the or you are going to choose the lowest delivery time or the shortest one, and also the shipping fee, which is going to be the lowest one. So you're going to have it just like that. Remember the name of it, and also you're going to put it into the product whenever you are going to add it into your Shopify store or any store that you have. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.